Hi everyone, welcome to one of our new videos. It's a little mental maths quiz that's linking with our Fluent in 5 work to hopefully help you quicken up with your mental maths work. So, can you solve these mental maths questions? Here we go. So there's going to be 2 questions for each of our main operations. 2 questions on addition, 2 questions on subtraction, 2 questions on multiplication and 2 questions on division. You can see the 4 operations on the picture above. If you want to, why not grab a piece of paper and a pencil to help you work out the answers. Don't forget to pause the video along as you go so that you can work out. Here's number 1. Solve this column addition. 567 add 228. Pause the video to do it on your piece of paper. Don't forget, start with the ones, and then move to the tens, and then the hundreds. Also, you might have more than 10 in one column. Don't forget to exchange it and add it to the next column. Now, is the answer 785, 795, 794, or 796? What did you get? Oh, it's not 784 or 79 or 796. Well done if you got 795. You add the ones, 7 and 8 makes 15. Exchange the extra 10 by adding an extra 1 in the tens column. 6 and 2 is 8. Add the extra 1 is 9. And then 500s add 200 is 700s. Great job if you got it right. Here's number 2. 423 add 200. Is the answer 600, 823, 223, or 623? Pause the video while you have a think or jot it down on your paper. It's not 600. Not that one. And it's not 223. Well done if you got 623. Did you get it right? 623. All you had to do was add the hundreds. The ones and the tens stayed the same. Let's move on to subtraction. Question number 3. Solve this column subtraction. Here we go, jot it down. 673 take away 228. Don't forget, ones first, then tens, then the hundreds. Let's see some choices. Is the answer 455, 445, 895, or 434? Jot it down and pause the video if you want some thinking time. Let's see which answers disappear. Which one's the right one? It's 445. Well done if you got that. Let's have a look how we worked it out. Our ones say 3 take away 8, which we can't do. So we knock next door and exchange a 10, so the 7 becomes 6. Our 3 becomes 13. And that's the tricky bit, isn't it? Then we work through the subtraction just like we did with the addition. 13 take away 8 is 5, 6 take away 2 is 4, and 6 take away 2 is 4 again. 445. Number 4. 893 take away 300. Let's look at some choices. Pause the video if you want to. Here's the answer. 593, 1193, 223, or 693. Which one did you get? Not 223, not 693. Well done if you got 593. Did you get it right? All you had to do was take away the hundreds. The tens and the ones would stay the same, as 300 has 0 in these places. Well done if you got it right. Okay, now time for the multiplication. 43 times 2. Now remember what we know. As times tables start to grow, use a fact you already know. Let's see what we know. Is the answer 72, 82, 46, or 86? Which answer did you get? Not 82, not 46, not 72. Great job if you got 86, everybody. Did you get it right? Here's how I worked it out. I know 4 times 2 is 8. So by working out 40 times 2 gives me 80. I know 3 times 2 is 6. And then all I have to do is add the 80 and the 6 together to get 86. Great job if you got that right. Here's the next one. 23 times 4. What's the answer? Pause the video. Is it 46? Is it 82? Is it 72? Or is it 66? It's not 46. It's not 82. Not that one either. That's right, it's 72. Super job if you got it right. Did you get it right? Here's how I worked it out. As times tables start to grow, use a fact you already know. I know 2 times 3 is 6, so 20 times 3 is 60. 3 times 4 is 12. We then add them together. 60 add 12 is 72. Time for some divisions. Number 7. 68 divided by 2. And we can apply the same rule with division as we do with subtraction, with multiplication, sorry. As times tables start to grow, use a fact you already know. What are our choices? 56, 36, 34, or 38? Which did you get? It's not 56, not 36, not 38. Well done if you got 34. Here's how we worked it out. I know 6 divided by 2 is 3, so 60 divided by 2 must be 30. 8 divided by 2 is 4. I then add those two together to get 34. Our final question now. Will you get 8 out of 8? 99 divided by 3. Let's have a look at some choices. Is the answer 33, 36, 19 or 25? Pause the video, work it out. It's not 36, not 19 or 25. Well done if you got 33. I worked it out in exactly the same way. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 90 divided by 3 must be 30. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Add it together, 33. Well done, everybody. How many did you get out of 8? See you next time for another mental maths quiz.